Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we're going to talk about Craftmas Season 4. So, I'm excited to talk about it, but before we jump into it, I did want to remind you that the weekly WOW sale for this week is 30% off all ThermaFlex Plus. Now that sale does end on Sunday, September the 19th of 2021 at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. So for Craftmas this year, we are going to make some changes, and if you see me looking down, I made lots of notes because, as I've said, my brain's not working that great, so I wrote down all my thoughts. So bear with me if you see me looking down. It's because I'm checking my information, but let's get into it. So for Craftmas this year, I wanted to do something different. So I'm going to announce Craftmas Season 4 Crafters Challenge. So what this is going to be, it's going to be 25 different videos, 25 different collaborations with your favorite crafters, whether they're on YouTube, TikTok, or on Instagram. And I figured that this would be a great way to, one, for me to work on some new crafting styles, two, to introduce y'all to some new crafting styles, and three, introduce y'all to some of the amazing creators that are out there, because there are so many amazing crafters out there that I can't even discover all of them. So you gotta let me know. Make sure to tag your favorite crafters in this video so they know to get in touch with me. So if you know someone who wants to participate, or if you want to participate, here's what I need you to do. First off, I need you to DM me at Cuttin Corners Vinyl on Instagram. It is linked in the description box, but that's where I'm going to sort out all of the Craftmas collab challenge or Crafters Challenge participants. It's just going to make my life so much easier, so you have to DM me there. Number one, you're gonna need in that DM your social information. One, so that way I know where to send people to look for you, because not everybody's on YouTube. Some of y'all are gonna be on Instagram, some of y'all are gonna be on TikTok maybe, I don't know yet. So I need to be able to know where to tell people to go look for your projects, because they want to learn from you like I do. Number two is going to be your project idea. So you need to have a fleshed out project of what you're wanting me to recreate from you. It's kind of like Pinterest fails, where you're probably really good at it. I mean, depending on what it is. And then I'm probably not. So I'm gonna see if you can teach me or show me the steps to create your project. So I also need to know what supplies are going to be involved. Now, for the supplies, I do ask that they be easily accessible. So that means things that I can order and that are readily available in stock on Amazon, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, that type of thing. Because, you know, I can't wait 6 months to get something in. Also, if you're wanting to participate, don't send me a trademarked, copyright, anything like that image as what you're wanting to recreate. We don't want to use Disney characters. I want this to be something out of your own head. Next, agree to post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram on the date chosen. So pretty much you need to share so people know to come watch. And I'm going to do the same thing for you. And that way you'll know in advance what day you will fall on. Okay, number three is provide high quality images of yourself and the project, because we need them for showing what we're going to be making. I also will need them for the thumbnail. Other than that, I just want you to be creative and have fun. That's the biggest thing for this is, you know, Craftmas is all about easy ideas to give as gifts. Well, you know, there are so many creative people out there that, you know, y'all can give me some new ideas. But it's also not about just Christmas gifts. It's just crafting in general. That's That's what makes me happy. Another thing is, don't worry if you're not chosen. If y'all are interested and seem to like this, after Christmas, we'll probably turn this into a weekly series. I think that it's fun, and I think that it is something that people will enjoy. Now, another thing is, I need to receive all entries in by October the 31st. Once you are chosen, I will give you your date that your video will go up, like the collaboration between us. But I will also need you to have your projects and all that in whatever media you're going to post at least a week before that, but we can hash all that out in the DMs. I will announce the chosen participants in a video and the day that they're gonna fall on November the 21st. But if you're chosen, you will know in advance, because I don't wanna spring this on you. So, remember, DM me on Instagram, and if you have any, as I said, questions, comments, anything like that, leave them down in the comments and I will answer them as much as possible. Make sure to, again, tag your favorite creators. Share it with your favorite creators. So that way we can, be able to do this. And to me, it doesn't matter how many followers you have, how many subscribers you have, just make it fun and interesting. Other than that, I don't, that's it. But again, the weekly wow sale for this week is 30% off all Thermoflex Plus. That sale ends on September the 19th of 2021 at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumb up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed down below and that you join our little crafting family. But I guess that's it for today, so we will see y'all later.